Construction worker was hurt after falling more than 10 feet while building a new home in Marion County. The fire department was called to the new VA district in Knoxville Sunday morning. Officials say a construction worker fell into the basement of the home. Several crews were called in to pull out the worker. Paramedics took them to a trauma center by air ambulance. There is no word on their condition. The incident is now under investigation and the worker's name has not been released.